welcome back to KKR Fan Cam. Another practice match has ended and Shubman 11 has won yet again. The man of the hour, Kamlesh Nagarkoti, 3 wickets to his name. Let's quickly have a conversation with him. Happy आज के performance से?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
कैसा लगा bowling करके in a proper simulation match?
बहुत टाइम बाद मतलब जो नॉर्मल अपने आ रहे जो बैट्समैन थे उनको करा के बहुत अच्छा लगा. एंड्रू रसेल खेल रहे सामने, सबसे टफ बैट्समैन मैं मानता हूँ उनको, और उनको आउट किया और बहुत अच्छा लगा.
एक पॉइंट पे यू आर ऑन अ हैट्रिक बॉल, तो आर यू गोइंग टू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस फ्रॉम दिस परफॉर्मेंस मूविंग फॉरवर्ड?
ज़रूर, क्योंकि जब भी कोई मैच होता है उससे पहले अगर आप परफॉर्म अच्छा करते हो तो कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत बिल्ड होता है. तो बहुत अच्छा मैच था हमारे लिए और मुझे बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस है.
और फील्ड में भी हमने आपको देखा, आपने काफ़ी कैचेस लिए, काफ़ी मूव अराउंड कर रहे थे. हाउ वाज दैट एक्सपीरियंस?
एक तो यहाँ पे ग्राउंड बहुत अच्छे हैं तो मज़ा बहुत आता है फील्डिंग करने में, तो और ऊपर से मुझे बहुत पसंद है फील्डिंग करना, तो यही था कि हम बहुत इन्जॉय कर रहे थे अंदर.
और आज बैटिंग करने का भी मौका मिला, तो डिड यू एंजॉय दैट?
हाँ, थोड़ा प्रेशर था क्योंकि बाहर से जो कोचेस थे उन्होंने मुझे समझा रखा था कि आपको इस जगह पे बैटिंग मिलेगी तो आपको उस हिसाब से खेलना है. बट फिर जब अंदर गया तो अच्छा फील हुआ, बैटिंग अच्छी करी तो अच्छा लगा.
Chalo Kamlesh, you have wrapped up the week on a high. We hope that you enjoy the weekend and we'll talk to you again very, very soon. Congratulations on your win. Alright, so for everybody watching, let's put things into a perspective. What happened in the match is that ultimately DK's 11 were all out for 91. The bowlers put on a solid performance. Kamlesh Nagarkoti, 3 wickets to his name. And of course there was Lockie Ferguson with 2 wickets, Varun Chakravarti with 2 wickets. So it truly was a day that belonged to the bowlers. We saw some solid performances. We saw them keep things in check. Nobody got out of control. They managed to even keep Andre Russell in check, which is really saying something. We heard Kamlesh ने अभी बोला कि Andre Russell वो मानते हैं कि दुनिया के greatest batsman हैं, तो उनको कंट्रोल करना, उनका विकेट लेना is something that he really enjoyed. Plus we saw Andre out for quite a bit. He was getting every day is a new learning opportunity for a batsman like Andre Russell. तो हमने देखा उनको काफ़ी छक्के चौके मारे उन्होंने, तो he spent a fair bit of time outside. That's what the match result was. Shubman 11 have won this match as well. And that's all we have for you on KKR Fan Cam this evening. It's time to go back to the hotel, take a shower and unwind and enjoy the weekend that is coming up.
Sanjana, we were probably gonna wrap up very soon, but we're not gonna let you go yet. There are some questions coming in from all our fans. Mr. Vampire, Jasim, Varad, Aditya, Mani, Bajwal, Nirka, Varsha. We can see all of you guys joining in. A lot of people want to know, obviously, the foreign players came in. We saw them in action, but especially this time, today, when the entire squad kind of came together, what was the feeling in the camp like?
It felt like a family had finally reunited. इतने दिनों से हम यही ग्राउंड पे आके प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, बट देयर वाज समथिंग लेफ्ट टू बी डिजायर्ड. और आज जब हमने ऑलमोस्ट फुल स्ट्रेंथ स्क्वाड देखी तो ऐसा लगा कि केकेआर वेल एंड ट्रूली है तैयार. आई मीन द टीम हडल लुक्ड फैंटास्टिक and we're all set to go. I think we can't wait for the 23rd.
Thank you, Sanjana. We'll just give them a round of what's happening around. We'll see you soon on KKR Fan Cam.
Yes, you will. Take care. Good night.
Perfect.
Just for the players. Huh?
So it's a wrap, guys, from KKR Fan Cam. You guys have obviously been tuning in right through the day, watching our practice game. This was our second big practice game. Today a lot more people had come in. हमारे जितने foreign players हैं, mostly everyone was in, except for obviously the people who came in from England yesterday. जो Pat Cummins, Tom Banton, Ian Morgan, वो अभी quarantine में हैं, वो उनके आने के बाद the squad will be complete. But for now, that's the update from the KKR camp in Abu Dhabi. As you know, the IPL starts soon. That is the Sheikh Zayed Stadium where we will be playing our first game against Mumbai Indians on the 23rd. So stay tuned to our Instagram, Twitter, Facebook for all the updates from the KKR family, from Sanjana, who will bring you all the updates, and we are glad we can bring all of this to you in a year which is going to be very different. बहुत different होने वाला है. आप लोग fans शायद इन guns में जैसे हमें support करते हैं इस साल नहीं होंगे, but at the same time we'll promise to keep you close to the action. So stay tuned, just like I said, our Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and we'll bring you all the action. Stay safe and good night.